Hi everyone, it's William from Jialan Package. Today I would like to share with you 4 reasons why you should choose paper bag from plastic bags. The first pros that I suggest is that, as we all know, that paper bags, they're always recyclable and they're degradable because, unlike the plastic bags, paper bags can easily be recyclable and compose when you do not want to use them. And as we all know that plastic bags can take like up to 100 or 1,000 years to decompose in the soil, while paper bags will not do such harm to our environment. Second is that, as we all know, that the paper bag mostly comes in a rectangular shape, and it allows you to put more stuffs in it. And most of our up to medium and large size bags can withstand up to 20 kg of weight. So that's the second pros that I suggest. And also, the third one is that paper bags will not cause any suffocation to animal or children. Unlike plastic bags, even sometimes when you punch a hole in plastic bags, it still can cause some sort of suffocation to children or animals. While paper bags, due to its structure and its material characteristics, there is no worry about suffocation. Also, last but not least, paper bag is ideal for storage all sorts of organic food or fruit because, most of the paper bags are breathable, which allows air to move around and will not, like the plastic bags, will accumulate the moisture inside the bag and make the food or fruit go spoiled. So these are the 4 points that I would like to share with you on choosing paper bags from plastic bags. Thanks for watching. Follow me next time. Thank you.